Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch from integrated to dedicated GPU. One thing is you need to make sure that you have GPU drivers. So let's open up browser and navigate to downloadcenter.intel.com, and I will leave links somewhere around the video. Scroll down till you see graphic drivers icon and click it. Next thing you need to know your CPU generation. In my case it's 6th generation. We can check it by clicking properties on this PC or other Windows versions my computer. Of course, pick drivers for your Windows version. In my case it's Windows 10 64 bits. Again, we can check our Windows version in System panel. Okay, now it's time to open website for dedicated GPU. In this case we need to type nvidia.com. Now let's click Big Drivers button. In this case you need to know which dedicated GPU you have. In my case it's 940M. Of course, click Big Download button and proceed with installation. For me these steps are already done, so let's go to the next step. So after you install integrated and dedicated drivers, right click on desktop and choose Nvidia control panel. Then click Manage 3D settings on the left side. As you can see, my preferred GPU is auto select, but you can select integrated or dedicated GPU if you want it. Of course, there is option for specific programs. In this example, I will change that CSGO uses dedicated GPU. And in the end, don't forget to press apply button. And so that's it, and smash that subscribe button, like it and share it. Thank you.